Good morning, you guys. I have missed seeing each and every one of you. It's been a long 2 weeks at home, and I'm ready to get back into some chemistry. So today we are going to be starting with Unit 6. So the guiding question for Unit 6 is how do changes in temperature and concentration change the behavior of molecules in a chemical reaction? Today we are going to be focusing on creating a model for our Unit 6 phenomenon. You are going to be watching a video in just a minute that uses cobalt chloride, which is the solid pictured right here, and it's been dissolved in some water to make a solution. As you watch the video, I would like you to think about what is happening in the video, what is the teacher doing, and how does this action impact the atoms in the cobalt 2 chloride solution. Now you can watch the video. Once you've watched the video, you are going to be creating a model of the Unit 6 phenomenon. I've put in a couple of images below to help you guys get started. So I've added in a YouTube similar to what you saw in the video, and then I've added in 3 different ways that you can show the cobalt chloride atoms. You have 2 choices for how you're going to create your model. You can go and open up the Google drawing that's linked right here, and you can create a digital model of your phenomenon. You can see a tutorial right here. If you click on it, it's going to take you to a 1-minute description of how to use Google Drawings. Or you can make a paper model and take a picture and post it in the Google Classroom folder. If you are doing the Google drawing, you may choose to work with one other person, and what I'm going to ask is that you put both of your names on the drawing so that I know who to give credit for. When you finish your Google drawing, you are going to go to the exit ticket form that is found right here on this page and complete it for part of your classroom participation grade for today. You are going to answer one of the following 3 questions. So what is one question that you still have about the unit phenomenon? What would you like more information about to improve your model? Or what surprised you about the phenomenon? If you have any questions, you can email me directly and I will be responding to emails. I miss you guys, and I hope that you are staying happy and safe and healthy at home.